Welcome to another restoration video. This one is a vintage valve radio. You can see it's a Philips. It has 5 bands, shortwave and broadcast bands, and these are the piano keys. This is the volume control, and this is the tuning knob, and this is a treble control, and this is bass control. This is the rear side of the radio. There's the power cord, and it can operate from 110 to 105 volts. 230 volts. That's the back cover, which is in a fairly okay condition. Now I'm going to remove the back cover. Okay, here you can see the inside of the radio. The model number is 15RB677. It is from the late 1960s. These are the valves, and that's the valve chart. It has got a EZ80, ECH81, EF89, 2EBC81, EL84 and EM84. It has got 2 speakers, left and right. It has got a ferrite rod antenna for medium wave. These input jacks are for antenna, earth, pickup and external loudspeakers. You can see the cosmetic condition of this radio is not that good. You can see the bare plywood here because the veneer is coming off like this. It is coming off. This is the bare plywood. So the physical condition of this radio is not that good. We will switch on the radio and check if it is actually working or not. We will use a bulb current limiter for this. So we have connected this radio to this bulb current limiter. If there is any short inside the radio, the bulb would glow very brightly, and that will indicate that there is something wrong in this radio, and we can switch it off and check for faults. So this is the bulb current limiter for protection. Now we are going to switch it on. Okay, as we switch on, we can see the indicator lights are, the dial lamps are glowing. You can hear the slight hum we are hearing from the speakers, and I can see all the filaments are glowing in the tubes. The filaments are glowing except for the output tube. The output tube, the filament is not glowing. So we'll check what is wrong with that. Also, one thing I noticed that these IFTs are not the original IFTs. These are Philips IFTs, no doubt, but these are not the original one. I think they have been replaced during the lifetime of this radio. Okay, both the speakers are okay because I can hear hum from both the speakers. The speakers are okay. Okay, now I've switched off the radio, and the output tube was, the EL84 was not glowing, so I'll take it out and check what's wrong with it. So here's the output tube, EL84. The physically, on a close inspection, I can see a small crack in it. So here is the output tube, and there is a slight crack here. I don't know if you are able to see it or not, but there is a slight crack here. So this output tube is faulty, so we have to change it. And in the next part of this video, we will change the output tube. Also, we will check the circuit and change the capacitors if required. So here is the underside of this radio. You can see all the components here. You can see a cracked capacitor resistor. This resistor is cracked. See that. We will change that. Very dirty inside. We have to clean. We will give a cleaning with a blower. You can check that green capacitor is marked September 1967. So this radio is from 1967. That's the output transformer. So there are a lot of, I can see that there are a lot of cracked resistors. This resistor here is also cracked. You can check that. So we will refer the schematic of this radio and change all the faulty components. So in the next part of this video, I will show you all the changed components and also the repair work done on the chassis and the body of this radio, and we'll come with the updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next part.